Hello guys, and welcome once again to Bloom Skincare. Today I will be showing you snippets from our ongoing Ultra Whitening skincare class. Now this class was created with formulators in mind, both beginners and people who already have skincare knowledge. Our Ultra Whitening class will enable you make the most effective and stable products that will help whiten your complexion or the complexion of your clients without giving them any issues whatsoever. Alright? So this particular video is that of the face cream you'll be learning on my class. This face cream is going to whiten your skin and take out all imperfections, be it hyperpigmentation, acne, and what have you, black and brown spots. This face cream is going to take all that out. So register for your class by contacting the number on your screen via WhatsApp. Invest in yourself and in your business. Become your own skincare boss. Guys, this is 2023. I also want you to remember that the class is still on a discounted rate. So do not miss this opportunity. I repeat, do not miss this opportunity to become your own skincare boss. Aside from teaching you how to make face creams, you're also going to be learning how to make active whitening base creams. You're going to learn how to make whitening or polish body oils. You're going to learn how to make lotions. You're going to learn how to make whitening scrubs. These are things that customers demand every day, and I am going to show you the secret that your favorite YouTubers have refused to reveal to you. All you need to do again is register for this class. Contact us via the WhatsApp number that is showing on your screen right now to register. Remember, for the month of May, this class is discounted and it might not be so come next month. All right? I can't wait to share my knowledge with all of you who have come this far with me. My OG subscribers, you guys are my favorite people, and by the grace of God we shall go even further together on this channel. So if you enjoy my videos, if you like the content I create, all you need to do is to register for your Ultra Whitening class and become your own skincare boss. Look at how luxurious and beautiful this whitening cream is. Even the color is so beautiful.